My name is Erika Pinheiro. I am professor in the Department of Agrotechnology and Sustainability at the Federal Rural University of Rio de Janeiro. I will present the study, Phosphorus and Nitrogen Reduction in Low-Cost Organic Filters for Swine Wastewater Treatment. Most of the swine wastewater treatment needs a relatively high initial investment that makes it difficult to be implemented by small farmers. So, a high investment, a huge amount of yield production, and a complex system that makes it difficult to be implemented by small farmers. The filtration process using organic materials has an advantage as the lowest cost, since the filter column can be made of recyclable material and agricultural residues found easily on the farm. Moreover, many studies highlight its potential for total solids and metal removals. So the aim of this study is to evaluate the efficiency of a filtration process consisting of different proportions of sawdust, sugarcane bagasse, and compost to remove total phosphorus and ammoniacal nitrogen contents from swine wastewater. The swine wastewater was from the swine sector at Federal Rural University of Rio de Janeiro, in Seropédica, Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Filter columns were made using plastic material with a total volume of 15 liters. All organic filters evaluated consisted of double and triple layers and in different proportions of organic materials. So the treatment evaluated were T1 and T2 were organic columns were filled up with wood sawdust and sugarcane bagasse. T3 and T4 treatments, besides wood sawdust and sugarcane bagasse, compost was filled in the column. Filtration process occurred until 100 liter. Crude and filtered swine wastewater were evaluated for total phosphorus and total ammoniacal nitrogen. Total ammoniacal nitrogen concentration was quantified using the modified phenate indolphenol blue method according to AFA. Total phosphorus was determined by sulfuric nitric digestion according to AFA 2, and subsequently quantified according to the ascorbic acid method. The performance of the filters was statistically evaluated through regression analysis, the adjustment of mathematical equations of the relative concentration, which is C0 ratio, that's the ratio between the effluent and affluent total ammoniacal nitrogen and total phosphorus concentrations as a function of the filtered swine wastewater, and filtered volume was performed. Statistical analysis was performed by Sigera software. So the results showed a lower performance for total ammoniacal nitrogen removal when using the evaluated organic filter as a filter medium for swine wastewater treatment, except for T3 treatment in 100 liter. However, organic filters with compost retained about 60% of total phosphorus in 80 to 100 liter. This is an advantage as permits filter reuse after composting as a fertilizer. So organic filters with compost were efficient for total phosphorus removals and present potential to be fixed as low-cost treatment, especially in rural farms, or to be part of an effluent treatment unit. The authors would like to thank Universidade Federal Rural do Rio de Janeiro, AGEVAP, CAPES, FAPERJ, and to Programa de Pós-Graduação em Engenharia Agrícola e Ambiental for the financial support. Thank you very much.